Hey everybody, Jacob here with Interconnect, and we are going to talk about 5 products that are necessities in every build. Every installer, every enthusiast, every retail shop should know what these 5 products are, so stay tuned and we will cover those items. Number 1, the Solo Interconnect. When it comes to interconnects, the biggest thing that we're always told is an RCA is an RCA, and that statement is farthest from the truth as absolutely possible. And the Solo is proof of that within reason. But from an audiophile perspective, the thing that we've got to look at is the best possible cable utilized to transfer signal. And when we look at the Solo's really kind of pride point is the Furukawa OCC slow extruded copper cabling. And the reason why this is so important is when you're stretching copper, when you're trying to make thin strand copper, you don't want breaks. You don't want issues in the copper. You want essentially the purest, most solid connection possible. And that is really what makes this RCA thrive and strive and work perfectly in this application. Now, that's not to say that there aren't phenomenal cables out there that are considerably better. But for what we're doing for the car world, this is about the best you can get. And honestly, it is not, snake oil. It's a fun set of RCAs to absolutely listen to when what you're striving for is perfection, for detail, for hearing the things that you didn't think existed in an audio track. Number 2, stage 3 power cable. When it comes to power transfer, there's a couple things to keep in mind. One, again, you want the best possible connection end to end. You want strand count, and you want the quality of the cabling itself. This is where stage 3 really comes to play. It's not a 10 OFC. It's not OFC. It's a silver-plated OFC. And the reason why that's important is a couple of different reasons. One, the process in which this cable is made has allowed us to drastically reduce internal resistance, allowing the cable to flow better. It also generates less heat. So, we look at things like that where we talk about the performance of the cable. But one of the other cool things that the silver plating does is between that and the jacket, it really allows the cable to be ultra flexible. And why is that important in car audio? Because we're trying to run things through a car, right? So when we take this thought process of power cable, right, and we've allowed a cable to flow more current, we've kept heat down, and we've made it super flexible, it becomes an installer favorite when it comes to installing in vehicles. So that is why, to me, the Stage 3 power cable series in power and ground, 8, 4, and aught gauge is all available, is so important in our installs, right? Clean wire, 90-degree bends, all the fun things that we're trying to do in a vehicle. This power cable is going to be the bee's knees. Number 3, FB420 fused distribution block. The FB420 fused power distribution block has been around for a while, but why is it important, right? This was the first of this series of power blocks to really hit the market from a kind of international perspective. There are many like it. There are many copies of this distribution block, and that is exactly what they are, is they are copies. Pick one of these things up. You're going to feel the weight of the materials used. You're going to feel the density of the metals used in the terminal blocks themselves. You're going to understand what makes this special. But again, when we talk about install friendliness, right, one of the things that I love about this distribution block is its power and ground. And each side of that terminal has dual aught gauge inputs. So now we don't have to worry about current being an issue, running out of power, or trying to do separate distribution blocks for power and ground, or amp section A and amp section B, anything along those lines. This is kind of a great one single solution for a 4 amp setup or less. I mean, if you want to run 3 amps, cool, you've got an empty slot, whatever. But again, this thing has become, again, kind of a fan favorite when it comes to installations, just keeping with a clean, simple installation that allows you to really show your work. Number 4, resonance control materials. When we talk about resonance control materials, one of the big things that we talk about, not one of the things, but when we're controlling resonance, it's multiple materials, it's multiple different thought processes. You can't just have a single product that's going to cover it all. So that's one of the reasons why our resonance control section is so important to Interconnect. It's relatively new to us, but it's an established, competition-based theory. So from a foil base layer through multiple different versions of matte, multiple different versions of foams, even multiple different versions of a multi-layer material for, quarter panel applications or roof or floor, where you don't necessarily need to go through and do multiple tiers of control. This product line has it. And even down to things like foam tapes for helping wire harness isolation, or RCA routing, giving you a buffer between RCAs and a solid surface. We have everything needed in this product lineup to be able to control resonances on things that we can control. And the things that we can't control, things like glass, you can't control resonance of glass. So other than that, Interconnect and the resonance control materials has got you covered. Number 5, stage 2 interconnect. Now, the big thing is we can sit here and talk about, all the top end products, right? The best of the best and everything along those lines. But what it really boils down to is the everyday stuff. And that is where something like the stage 2 interconnect comes into play. The stage 2 series of cabling, and especially the RCAs, are really some of the best RCAs I've ever played with. One, all OFC, two, absolutely phenomenal ends with just massive bite that'll hold on to an amplifier. I mean, so far as to, kind of laugh that we'll pick an amp up with the RCA, that old school, aha, look at what we did. But the thing that we look at, right, is our entry level cable really is kind of what the industry standard should be for the go-to cable. Now, the cool thing I like about this, it's available in 2-channel, 4-channel, and 6-channel in various lengths. So again, you can grab a single 6-channel RCA, front to back of the vehicle. There you go. You get an incredible product, simple solution for your install. But again, it allows, installers to be able to do phenomenal work easily with great products. So the stage 2 series is definitely nothing that should be overlooked. It is, a sleeping giant when it comes to RCAs, and really something that should be played with on a regular basis. So there you have it. 5 of the products that personally I feel are important to the Interconnect line, but that's not it. There's so much more in the brand and products that we deal with that, go to the website for-connect.com, browse around, and get with your local dealer, get with your rep, to find out more about it. If there's something that we don't have in the US, we can get it. This is a cool line that we love to play with, we love to grow, and we're going to see where it takes us. Y'all have a good one.